guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a classic holiday glam tutorial using all drugstore products, you guys. This is all stuff that you guys can buy at like Ulta, Walmart, Target, the drugstore. And yeah, so I really wanted to make this tutorial for y'all. Y'all voted for it on Instagram, so I am giving you what y'all want. Oh, ooh, what's in my hair? Yo, look, my edges are on swim, period. But anyways, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun filming it. And yeah. Also, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I hope you guys have a safe and happy holiday and spend time with the family and friends and people that you love the most. And yeah, thanks for watching this video on Christmas. Before you guys finish watching this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click those bell notification buttons so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And also follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. They will all be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. And without further ado, let's just get on to see how I created this drugstore holiday glam tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm first starting out with my Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Newtrals Reloaded 3-1, and I'm just taking that brown shade and I'm putting it in my crease just to start off as a transition color. I'm patting on the color first, and then I'm blending out the outer edges. I'm taking that next brown color and I'm putting that in my crease just to deepen it up a little bit, doing the same technique, patting it first, then blending out the edges. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1 and patting it on my lid and cutting out my crease. I'm kind of cutting my crease differently because I wanted to look a little bit more like larger. So instead of taking it from the very inner corner, I'm taking it kind of from the bridge of my nose, as you guys can see. I'm going to be taking that shimmery color in the very bottom corner, and I sprayed my brush a little bit, and then I'm just going to put it on the place that I put the concealer. I'm taking this Colourpop shadow and I'm going to be putting it on my lid just for some extra sparkle. Then to deepen up the outer edges of my crease and blend that harsh line, I'm taking the deepest brown shades in the palette. First the medium brown shade and putting it on top and blending out the edges so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm taking that dark brown and putting it on the very outer corner, patting it, and then swiping it around the edges to blend it. Now I'm putting a thin line on top of my lid just so the lashes have something to sit on. So just taking the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner and making a thin line. Moving on to the face, we're going to finish up the eyes later. I'm taking the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer and priming my face. Then I'm taking the Maybelline foundation. I think this is the 24-hour stay one, and I'm putting that on my face with my Sigma F80 brush. Y'all know I have a code with Sigma, so if y'all want to save, then look at the code in the down bar and on the screen. But yeah, so I'm taking that foundation, and then I use a smaller brush from Real Techniques just to get like my eyebrows and by my edges, because my forehead is very small. Like my edges literally touch my brows damn near, so I just take a very small brush and go in between my brows and my edges. Now I'm taking my NYX HD Concealer and just concealing up my face under my eyes, bridge of my nose, upper lip, and forehead. Then I'm taking the setting powder that I kind of concocted. It's like the RCMA powder and the Maybelline one. So I just mixed those two together and yeah, I made my own setting powder. Then I'm going to be taking the True Match powder from Loreal, and I'm using it first on a really fluffy brush from Real Techniques just to set the rest of my face where I didn't put that setting powder that I made. And then I'm going to be taking a Morphe brush, and I'm going to be taking it on the R7, and I'm just bronzing up my face, using it as a bronzer on more like detailed areas of my face to warm it up. And I'm just contouring my nose with the same powder as well. You guys can always use like foundation powders as bronzers and contours and stuff if you guys don't have an actual bronzer. Then I'm taking my Milani blush trio and blushing up my face. You guys know I love to put it on my cheekbones and my nose. It just gives me a really pretty flush, so I'm just gonna put it in those places. Then I'll just be taking that same powder that I used earlier to set my face, and I'm just going to be baking underneath my contour and blush and also the sides of my nose. Now I'm just finishing up my eyes. I'm going on my lower lash line and just taking the same shades we used up top on the lid and putting them on the lower parts. And make sure you guys connect the outer edges of your shadow. You don't want to have a gap right in between the outer corner of your eyes. Just make sure you're connecting it like I am. Then I'm taking my NYX Wonder Pencil. I'm just going to be putting it in my waterline just to brighten up my waterline a bit. And I'm just wiping away that bake from earlier so it doesn't sit too long. Then I'm just taking my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and coating my upper and lower lashes before I put on falsies. And for my falsies, I'm using some Camisole lashes from Kiss, and then I'm just applying some highlighter. This is the Maybelline one in the Master Chrome Molten Gold. Then for lips, I'm taking my NYX brown lip liner and just lining them a bit just so I can have a little bit of a like flesh tone on my lips before I apply my red. Then I'm taking my NYX lip liner. This is a red one. I'll have all the products listed down below in their names, but just filling in my lips a bit with that, and then taking my Milani liquid lipstick and putting that on top. Then just finishing off with some Milani Make It Last setting spray, and the look is complete. Alright guys, that's the end of my classic holiday glam using all drugstore products. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. It was really cool to see like all these drugstore products and how I could use them and incorporate them into my everyday makeup routine, because you guys know I use a lot of like higher end products, not because I'm like bougie or anything. Okay, maybe a little bit, but because I just like the way they apply and how they last. But these drugstore products look really good on me, so y'all need to go ahead and cop them, period. Before you guys finish watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post a video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. Y'all know the drill. They will be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. I love y'all so much. I hope you guys have a safe, happy Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, everything. I hope you guys are spending it with your family, friends, everyone that you love, and you guys have a happy new year. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys. About to be beefing with an enemy does not make you a friend of me. Girl so weird, stay clear, I'm living drama free. I don't got no time for these hoes. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, it's time to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment and talk loosely. I really do this and flowing stupid since Vince Carter was also through the legs. I'm in the hoop shit. Drinking Glam I've been through it. I should be a rapper. Oh, I need to take a picture. Shit. Shit. Merry Christmas.